Hi, and welcome on the English as a Beauty YouTube channel. This is the third video from the video series on verb tenses of English. In this video lesson, I'm going to talk about the correct usage of present perfect tense. Present perfect is used to 1. Describe actions that started in the past and are still true now. For example, Mike has been a member of the club for 5 years now. In this sentence, Mike became a member of the club 5 years ago, and he's still a member of this very club. The action is still continuing. 2. Present perfect is also used to describe achievements and accomplishments of those people who are still alive. For example, Paulo Coelho has written lots of interesting books. Jane has done a PhD in chemistry. It is very important to keep in mind the fact that we use present perfect to describe accomplishments and achievements of those people who are still alive, who are not dead. To describe accomplishments of those who are dead now, we use past simple. You will learn more about past simple in the next video series on past tenses. 3. Present perfect is also used to describe completed actions where the important thing is the present result. For example, the president has signed a new treaty. Or Nick has sent me a very important email. 4. We use present perfect to describe actions completed recently. For example, I have just received an email. Or Britain has introduced new quarantine regulations. Present perfect is normally used with following words and expressions: so far, already, before, since, up till now, and others. I would also like to point out the differences between American and British English in using present perfect tense. In American English, past simple is used instead of present perfect when talking about actions completed recently. See the rule number 4. In American English we would say, "Did you hear the news yet?" Whereas in British English we would say, "Have you heard the news?" In American English we would say, "I saw him here already." But in British English we would say, "I have already seen him here." So these are the main rules for using present perfect tense in English. You're welcome to comment this video and leave your feedback. I really appreciate it. You can also subscribe to this channel and get more content on English. Thanks for watching the video, and remember, English is a beauty.